नी लगातार मेरे यार दिल में चार जिंदगी के तू जी ले हो जाओ तैयार ये गाना है ऑन रिपीट देखो बजती है बीट ना पड़ो तुम ढीले बकवास भुला के कोई स्टेप सा बना के हाथ ऊपर उठा के पूरी जान लगा के
Let's go! Max Dupa! Wonderful!
everybody let's not your
There we go! Let's give a big round of applause to him. He's not finished yet. Obviously, Kangana Ranaut! Now I have to tell you two things. Does she not look super hot? Every time I look at Kangana, I say कि I don't know how, everyone tries to get two or three things together. Shirt सही हो जाती है, जूते सही हो जाते हैं. How do you get this perfect even at 7 a.m.? Can I please ask everyone, even the shades are fantastic, the hairstyle is fantastic. Don't you agree? Please tell us.
But tell me, Salil, how do you manage to be so energetic and talk so much at like 7 in the morning?
It's called RTGS. No, I'm just kidding. Obviously, when I come in the morning, you want to jump around. By the way, I do a morning show called Kasakai Mumbai. And so we're used to waking up at 5:30 in the morning, but I still can't look like this. I had to put lots of things to try and look like this.
But I can't talk like this. How amazing he sounds.
She doesn't need to talk. I have to ask you two things because I think the world always wants to know so much about your performances, your, perhaps without a doubt, for me and everyone, the finest actress in the last decade in Bollywood. And it's true, right? I remember when I first went to see Queen, we were blown away. When we saw Tannu Veds Mannu, we were blown away. Then we saw part 2, we were blown away. She makes 100 crores on her own for the films. Just for that, guys, she doesn't get sometimes the right applause in the right place. Let's give it to her right now.
Thank you.
And when we saw Rangoon, I said, wow, can I be part of the film? It's too late. But let's talk about Rangoon also. It's a very tough character to play.
Yes.
And you're looking fantastic in it also. So, Vishal Bhardwaj, tough conditions. Let's
Yes.
talk about that.
So Rangoon is a love story, and me, Shahid, Sam, we are 3 characters in the film, 3 primary characters. It's a film which is set in World War II, and in a time where we are trying to get independence, and these 3 characters are madly in love. They have a war of their own going on. It's about passion, it's about love, about freedom.
So there you go. First day, first show to mera rehta hai. It's always fun, but I have to say this. Everyone try to think ki fitness mantra kya hai. All of us say we work too hard. And no time in the evening. Got children. By the way, I'm not 25, I'm also 37. So we're fighting with everything, right? Trying to get fit. How do you stay fit?
I, like we are here today for, I walk a lot, and I do
Round of
yoga.
applause. Chalo, honestly, at least it works.
Yeah. So I walk a lot. I try and be very active, and I do yoga, lot of yoga.
Yoga se bhi hoga. It works like that, yeah? But when you do talk about films, so many films have been sporting films have done so well. One sec. Can I just get my mic? Check. Okay. Check.
Hello. Acha, thank you.
You understand about sports films? You know, I like the fact that sports is used as a medium. Oh, imagine a man who's standing on stage, you can't hear his voice. Acha, that's why you all won't clap. He obviously doesn't like me too much. I've got a bone to pick with you. Anyway, so when you talk about sporting films, you know, the arenas are fantastic. Everyone wants to talk about a film. Do you think you'll ever want to do a walking film and, you know, something like that way, which will inspire people? It's so easy to do, everyone can do it.
You know, I've got a story of a woman who had asthma and she walked a very long marathon, and it's quite an achiever. You know, it's a. Hanji, kya hua? Kya cheez?
Yeah, we're starting the walk in a second. Don't worry, I'll walk with you.
Yes.
What's
yes.
happened? Okay,
Yes. Okay. Yeah, we should.
we'll walk with her.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I've got Yuvraj here. Where's Yuvraj? Yuvraj, little baby, where are you? Yuvraj, come on stage. We're going to have a little walkathon right here also. We'll start the process here. Big round of applause for Yuvraj, who's going to give a lovely badge.
Good morning.
Woken up early in the morning, sweetly. We're going to actually pin this badge on. Ashish sir, could you just do the honors?
I love walking.
Let's keep the energy going, guys. We've got just a 5 kilometer, after this and 2 kilometers. We'll just pin the badge on. Sounds good. Okay, we ready for that group there? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go for the walk.
Let's go.
We're going to walk in there, and Ashish and Kangana are going to actually flag it off. We'll actually come from that side and then go all the way around. One sec. Kangana, we'll just take a selfie. So now I want everyone's hands up in the air. All the way back. Now my selfie skills will be in use. Okay. This is the part you appear really, really excited. Okay. Hands up in the air. All right, thank you. Now let's get ready to walk. Are we ready? Let's go towards that side where we'll flag off the walk. Let's flag it off! All those walking the 5 kilometer marathon. Let's see you all come. Go easy. It's a lovely little walkathon there. Go easy. Start walking and then take selfies. Little bit further out. And let's have some noise. Let's walk. Easy, nice and easy. Let's move a little faster, guys. No, sir. I need her here. She walked with you. Look. All right, guys. Keep walking. On the Instagram, we have a live video also. So I want everyone to actually go out there and hashtag. Very, very important. Let's get on social media. Go take a walk. Go take a walk. Everyone tweet these photographs. You can tag us all. Max Boomba's out there on Twitter, Instagram. Go take a walk. Especially this selfie you can actually take. Walk for health is the keep moving, guys. Let's keep moving.
चल 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 सैर कर ले आलस की आदत को कुछ ले पल पल पड़ते पैर हम ले जो उसको साथ ले मस्ती में हंसते नाप मोड़ से मोहल्ले से चौक से चल छोड़ काम काज आज वॉक पे चल
मैं हट रही हूँ come out. Yes, absolutely. तुम नीचे हो जाओ people. सिंद्रा आ जाओ. Just be here. I'll go. Sir, आप on that side.
Yeah, hi Kangana, good morning. How are you?
I'm very good. Thanks.
How are morning schedules for you actually?
You know, I wake up very early, 6-6:30 बजे, and then I exercise some sort of activity. जैसे yoga हो गया, या CrossFit या Pilates, जो भी whatever I feel like, I do that activity.
What did you say about walking your walk even you here in the morning?
Yes.
And you were there to encourage the crowd
जी,
and
जी.
people those who had come.
Yeah, so I think walking your walk is a great initiative, and I feel that we don't have great infrastructure, especially in Mumbai, and people feel a bit tentative to walk on the roads, especially elderly people. There are no signs for walking, and no signals for sort of hold the traffic. So for walkers it get a bit difficult, and I think this kind of campus has been booked for 5-kilometer walk. It's great because it's going to bring awareness to people how important and how basic walking is for us and for our body. So that I really appreciate it.
And what is your exercise regime actually? How do you follow it? You're a fitness freak.
Yes, I try and be active, because if you just exercise for 30 minutes and 40 minutes and then you think that I can sit all day, that's not how it works. So you've got to be active, because walking is not exercising, it's the basic need of life. It's like eating or breathing. Scientifically it's been proved that you've got to cover, I think, number of steps. There are those many, like in 1,000, right? 10,000 step every day to have the basic metabolic activities to kick in your body. So it's the most basic need. I'm really glad that these people are bringing about this awareness, and this is going to help.
By the way, it's also a sport in Olympic. An Indian team actually came in 13th out of the 74 countries in the Rio Olympics. So we're also sponsoring that.
Yeah, it's a sport as well, and Max Bupa Walkathon is sponsoring that as well. But to be honest, for me, walking is the most essential and the most basic routine that I follow.
Very excited about it.
Yes.
How much are you excited?
I'm very excited, because there are so many films that come every year, and very few films are cinematic experience, and Rangoon is such a great film. It's a cinematic experience. We all the time we crave about Bollywood delivering mediocre films. So here we have a extremely brilliant product, and I hope people encourage it, because this is what we really wait for all along. So we have it here now in this month, 24th February. We take the last question.
Yes sir, आप भी कुछ बताओगे इवेंट के बारे में? Kangana is here to support the event actually.
So this is the 5th year for us in the event, and this event is now culminating from Bombay, going to Delhi and to Bangalore. Also, we are sponsoring the race walking. So there is a national race walking championship happening in Delhi on 18th and 19th. I think it's phenomenal. We want India to adopt walking, like Kangana is saying, simplest form of exercise. And over last 5 years, we have over millions of people who've joined us in our walk. So I think it's a great momentum, and I think we will change the way we look at healthier nation, healthier people. So I think it's a great effort, and I see a lot of participation and interest from wherever we take this event. Thank you. Thank you, Kangana.
Kangana, just one second, wait for the camera.
Just wait.
हाँ, आराम से आराम से आराम से
सर आप प्लीज सर प्लीज पीछे हो जाओ चलो चलो